Hi. Hi. Hey, Anora, I want to ask about Bruno.
No, that's enough.
Is he our relative?
I don't know. Where is he?
Why? Where is he? We don't remember him.
He is terrible. That's my grandma said.
But Bruno,
Enough. We don't talk about Bruno.
No, no, no. Don't think about Bruno. No, Bruno.
We don't talk about